Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So guys, today I have a special video for you guys. Today I'm going to be making your ultimate laptop cooling setup. So the way I'm going to be doing this, that I'm going to be using two different coolers. One is going to suck the air from the vents and the other one is going to blow the air from under. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just run a benchmark without using any coolers whatsoever. Then after that I'm going to let the laptop cool and then I'm going to run it with the cooling pad only, and in the end I'm going to be using both coolers at the same time. So enough talking about the coolers, now let's get right into the video. So guys, let's talk about the temps. So without using any kind of cooler and the room temperature was between 27 to 30 degrees, the idling temperature of the laptop was 38 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 100 degree Fahrenheit. And after rendering a 4K video for like 20 minutes, a 2.5 GB video, the maximum temperature it hit was 75 degrees or 166 degrees Fahrenheit. So after that I let the laptop cool for like 10 to 15 minutes, and after that I did the other test with using the cooling pad only, not including the vacuum cooler. The minimum temperature was 34 degree, a 4 degree difference without using using only the cooling pad. It is because I think the laptop fan doesn't kick in until 40 degrees, so that's why the cooling pad was pushing the air from below, so that's why the laptop was cool. So there's a difference of 4 degree, while the maximum was 75 degree. There was no difference whatsoever between the fan, between the cooling pad or without the cooling pad. The things got interesting when I used the both at the same time. The minimum temperature when using both the cooling pad and the vacuum cooler at the same time was 30 degree. It's a major 8 degree difference without using any kind of cooler. So this is a really great temperatures. And the things got even more interesting when I put full load on the processor. After rendering a 4K video with using both coolers at the same time, the maximum temperature it did was 65 degree, and that's about it. That's about a 10 degree difference with using two coolers. So that's a really nice, great improvement if you're gaming or if you are video editing whatsoever. So in conclusion, I want to say this setup is not going to be very practical, because if you like to move your laptop every day, then it's going to be very hard. But if you like me and you like to sit at one place and do your editing or gaming whatsoever, then it's going to be a great setup because it's going to increase your laptop life. The other thing I want to note down is that when I was doing this test, and when you turn on the air conditioner, the laptop temperature doesn't go any further than 60 degree when using both coolers. So that's even more better, because most of the people are going to turn on air conditioner if it's too hot in the room. So for under $50, I think it's a great setup for gamers who like to game a lot on their laptop, or people like me who like to video edit on the laptop, because the laptop does get very hot. So guys, I will put all of the links to the description of this cooler. So with that being said, that's it for this video. If you like the video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing and become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching.